and welcome. In this video, I'll be sharing best practices for exploring internships and full-time jobs in Handshake. Once on the Handshake homepage, click Jobs in the top navigation bar. On the Jobs page, you'll have the ability to search for roles and filter by criteria you've set. Let's first start with the filters. Select Filters. Once on the Filters page, you'll be able to select job type, as well as industry, job function, and more. I highly recommend not to select too many filters, as that will significantly narrow down your search. The filters I would prioritize would be job type. In this example, I'll be searching for an internship, job function, and/or industry. In this example, I'm going to be specific to job function, and I'll select marketing general. Once you've set the filters you'd like, click See Jobs. You will then have the capability to review all of the jobs on the left-hand side of the page that fit that criteria. Prior to doing so, I would recommend selecting Date Posted. This will allow you to view the roles that have most recently posted. You can also save your search and edit your notifications at any time. If you save your search, you will then receive email notifications on a weekly basis with any new roles that have posted that fit that criteria. Once you have identified a role that's of interest, click on it. You will then have the ability to view the role in more detail. You can see the location, whether or not it's paid or unpaid, the application deadline, responsibilities, and requirements, as well as information on the organization. If the role is of interest to you, go ahead and apply. If you'll need to come back later and apply, you can simply select the star. That will favorite the role and allow you to quickly come back to it when you're ready to apply. Simply apply by clicking the green Apply button. If the role simply has the green Apply button, you'll just apply in Handshake. If it has Apply externally, like some other job descriptions, you will apply in Handshake, and you'll also want to apply via the employer's external URL, which will link directly from the application here. It's very important to read the job description in its entirety to make sure you're following all of the application requirements in order to be considered for the role. Good luck in your job search.